Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of PATTAY'S Performance. I'm running a little behind schedule today. So, I fixed this lawnmower last year. It's a Husqvarna LC221A from my buddy. You actually have to put a new carburetor on. And here it is, back in my driveway, because it's going to need another new carburetor. Now, the reason why it needs a new carburetor is because he actually tried to clean it himself, and he screwed it up big time. So I'm going to take care of that for him right now. Hopefully I have it in stock, and we'll go from there. Alright, sorry about that. I don't know where we left off because I had a guy just stop up. He needs a lawnmower, and I'm currently out. I'm sold out. I did like 30 of them. And I might have another lawnmower coming to me tomorrow, so he said he'll take it no matter what. So that's always a good thing. So anyway, so I fixed this for him last year. It needed a new carburetor, and this year he tried fixing it and cleaning it out himself. And there's a fixed jet in here that he was not supposed to remove on the bottom. And he pulled that out, popped it back in, and under load, guess what happens? The jet comes out. So no big deal. I'm actually making this video for him so he doesn't have to bother me no more. Sorry, Eddie. Nah, he's really a good guy. We go way back since high school. And he actually owns a prominent speed shop called Force Fed Engineering. World record setting. So it's funny, you know, a guy who could do many, many things can't fix his lawnmower. But nonetheless, love you, buddy. We'll take care of it. So anyway, this is what popped out. And he's missing these screws, so I'm going to reuse these for the ones that he's missing. So I'll drop the link of this carburetor in the description. But what we have to do is we have to pull this piece off. This piece comes off when we slap it on the new one right here. Alright? Gotta do this very carefully. Come on. If this breaks, we ain't doing stuff. Oh, come on. It should never be this difficult. Oh, there we go. It's out. New carburetor. We are just going to push this on like so. Come on. There we go. Clicked. Uh-oh. Gotta do the other one. See how that goes like there? We are good to go. Slam this baby in. And we have the two governor rods. I don't know if you guys can get a good view, but what I like to do is I like to do the side one first, like so, and then we do the one off the auto choke. Oh, that came off. Whoops. See, I'm rushing. I'm missing all this stuff. This shit would have never rained. Look what I missed. See, I'm rushing. O-ring came off the O-ring. See? Missing. Alright, so let's put this mamma jammer in here. Send that home. Oh, come on. Fuel on. Oh. Yeah, let's zip that in. There's that. Carb cover. Now remember the 15/16 on the outer edge. Slide that in right there. Remember, he's missing the two inners, but we're going to reuse the screws off the carburetor because they're the same. Nice little trick, right? going to start them. Milwaukee M12, and then I forgot what size these ones are off the carburetor. This is what we're going to be reusing. It's not a 1/4 inch. Is it 9/32? All the screws are popping off. Let's see. Yep, 9/32. Zip it out. Too much talk. Too much talk. That's that. Now these are a little long for the carburetor, but let's see. Hopefully we don't mess this up, because if not, guess what? He's paying for it anyway. Because he screwed this up in the first place. Nope, they're perfect. So you guys could reuse the carburetor screws if you lost the air cleaner screws. Remember, 9/32 and 5/16. Nice, easy peasy video. Hope he is smart enough to leave me fresh gas. Off the jack stand. Of course, there's no gas in there. He probably got frustrated. Let me put some gas. I sure can. Snap his air filter back on. Alright. Let's see what we got. Be sure there's nothing. Oh. That's right, I remember he told me that he's hitting on the bottom. Wow. Whoops. Now let's see what he's hitting. He's hitting right here. He's hitting all over here when you spin that blade. Little persuader. Look at that. No more hitting. A couple more hits. Alright, whiffer. No! Did he bust the recoil? Oh my god, Eddie! Alright. That's it. Gotta get a new recoil. I'll see you guys! I'm all messed up, man. Look. I'm busy today. A lot of orange. Orange lawnmower. Orange backpack blower, Echo weed whacker that we just got fixed today. These for free, $25. This snap-on orange hammer. But anyway, listen, I guess I'll make a video when I cross this bridge. But if you comments, because this is how you switch the carburetor on your Husqvarna lawnmower. Also, if you guys pay attention to this Briggs engine, very popular on Troy Belts, Cub Cadets, and a couple others, MTDs. So if your lawnmower engine kind of looks like this, use this video to fix your stuff. Alright, later. Alright guys, you know what? I'm going to give you guys some bonus footage. I'm running behind. So anyway, Eddie boy screwed this up. I had to pull the recoil off. Right? It needs a whole assembly. Because look, destroyed. There's nowhere for the rope to grab onto. Broke it. So anyway, Briggs has a cool thing on how to get your parts. So you're going to grab your smartphone, I have my iPhone, my QR scanner app. And you're just going to scan it. See how it pops up? I don't want that. That's an advertisement. Open in browser. And here is your engine number. And you are going to go to View Manuals, Illustrated Parts List, and then from there we have everything. So let's look. Alright, it's number 608, and the model number is 593959. So I'm going to order this, and he has no choice. He has to wait because he's an animal. Alright, that's it. We're officially done. I'm going to put this POS back together, and got to do some videos tonight. Alright, I'll catch you guys later. Alright, maybe better. Alright, so my gamble. See these tabs here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think if you bend these out, right, this should come loose. Let's bend these out. I'm going to try setting needles. And we're just going to use, like, let's see, is there a symbol one? Alright, you know what, we're going to put pressure on it and slowly, is that going to work? Because you don't want to bend these. Alright, I think just a couple of screwdrivers will take care of the problem. Maybe I'll stop this. Let me get a couple of screwdrivers. Let's try this again. 2 flat tip screwdrivers, and I'm going to try at the same time pry on each tab. That's the plan, Stan. Okay, you see that? Look, look, look. If you look, there's a gap to stick your screwdriver, and there's no gap here. So stick it in the gap and pry out, and it's going to free itself. Right? I hope. Yeah. Perfect. See how it freed itself? Now if we look closely here, solid gap. Take a screwdriver and pull it out. Now let me drop you guys down another level. Alright, you see this here? See there's a gap? Pry, stick it in, out, and it pops out. We're going to go to this one here, remember? Left, solid, right, there's the gap. And I'm just going to pry this out. There we go. Last one, remember left solid, the right is the gap. Stick it in. And stick it out. Oh no! There we go, it's free. Now I don't remember the part number for the recoil. But it came with 2 pieces, some sort of trim ring, which we won't need, and the whole assembly itself. Now I wish I knew how I set this up. Yeah, so it's going to sit like this. So we need to press it in like this. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so these have tabs. give me one tab in there. Because then if he goes on the lawnmower like so, yeah. I really should have paid attention before. Okay, so you see here, look. Line up, line up. See, look, see here? Solid space. That's how we know we're good. So I guess this just snaps in. Shit, if they all weren't that easy. Remember some, like, you know, people who don't know what they're doing? Remember you get close, oh, I have to drill out the rivet. Well, no, you just pull off the engine housing and it's right there. Look at that. It just snaps right in. Yep, we're locked in. All right. Let's just make sure we're good. The tips come out. All right, back to the mower. You know what? Forget. Let's do a little side story. Look what we got in the box. No, it's not a Husqvarna. It's a wild rabbit. I'm also babysitting my brother, who's doing absolutely nothing. Say hi, Romeo. Say hi. So anyway, the side story with this rabbit is we live in Greenlawn, and the plot of land that we are on was a farm, and they split it up. What's left of the original farm is actually behind my home. So remember, we always had rabbits. But remember, I was letting my grass grow tall. And, like a freaking moron, I forgot, before I did my lawn care, to check for rabbits. So, I was weed whacking near a tree. And I hit one. Now, if anybody knows me personally, I am a cold-hearted, solid soul. And for some reason, when I hit that rabbit and that thing was screaming, I felt like absolute SHIT. Now, in the further excavation, he was going to live because I only took off one of his ears. It was a big whole half-hour endeavor of that. I had to chase all the rabbits around because they all jumped out of the nest. And then I had to put him back in. And then as soon as I picked up the one that was injured, he would scream and they would all run all over it. So it is what it is. I put everything back in the hole. I covered it. I've seen Mommy a few times. So I think they're okay. They moved the nest, so I don't know. But when I went to go sell a lawnmower before, I seen something moving in the bushes, and that was that one. Now, it has all four legs, but it's only using 3 of them to hop. So every time I went to go hop, it flopped over. So here it is. I don't know what we're going to do. My wife's a kindergarten teacher. I don't know if they'll adopt the bunny and keep it in the classroom, or we're just going to take it to Sanctuary. I know, that's very white of us. Animal-loving people. Yeah, man. Oh, good. Alright, so let's put these. These are 5/16 if I remember correctly. Now, this is a crazy engine housing setup. It's actually pretty cheesy if you ask me. All plastic. Why? And then we'll just start this by hand. And then we'll hunker this down. And then, of course, I have to do the carburetor. I am not going to bore you guys with doing the carburetor again. And sorry for my lack of enthusiasm. I am just beyond exhausted right now. I didn't even want to fix anything, but then I remember I got so much SHIT to do. So how does this work? Alright, so this hooks in here and snaps in there. Hold down. And then does this go up? Yep, done. And this does, now I gotta tighten it. You gotta tighten these screws first because they cover it. Son of a. You know what. Alright. Zip these down. So anyway, yeah. As you guys know, I'm a union heavy-duty diesel mechanic by trade. And we've just been, we're always busy. But I guess it's just starting to catch up to me. You know, we're in the spring sprint. God knows how long now. Coming home, doing this, helping my buddy build his house. You know, I'm just trying to do the right thing by everybody, but I don't know. Today was kind of rough, man. Had to do S-cam bushings, brakes all the way around, tires, you know, just everything else. But it is what it is. All right, so we're going to snap this bad boy in. And then we're going to pull the recoil up to there. Let's see. And then I got to do the carburetor. So yesterday was supposed to be a very green day for me, remember? Supposed to sell 2 lawnmowers, a backpack blower, and a weed whacker. I sold nothing yesterday. Nothing but aggravation. Now because the times are so spread out, I decided not to almost do anything. So I cursed out a lot of people. Oh, Poppy, I'm sorry. I'm like, no, screw yourself. Common courtesy. All right, I'm not going to bore you with this. I'll see you guys when the carburetor's back. All right, so I made a rookie mistake. I mean, a horrible, horrible, horrible rookie mistake. And I'm very aggravated to stay. I've done these, I can't even tell you how many times. New replacement carbs are missing the choke lever. You have to pull the existing one off like I showed earlier in this video and put the new one on. I forgot to do that. I already put the carburetor in the recycle pail because we are green here at PATTAY'S Performance, and I just had to order a choke lever. It was like $15. F-U-C-K. So that's it for now. You know, no matter what, this mower is done. I'm not going to drag this on. I'll upload this video. You guys get the idea. New carburetor installed. You guys found out how to install new recoil. Now, in case you make the same mistake I did, or if you messed it up, I will put the part number in for the choke lever. Alright? So, if you guys found this video helpful, please smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance.